Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Nilesh Kumar and today we are going to see can we break the barrier of MIGS. So in routine MIGS, the microscope needs to be tilted towards surgeon and the patient face away from the surgeon to get an offset of 60 degree for an enforced view of the angle. But there are multiple resource limitations in this. So in country like India, where the most common MIGS that is performed is bent angle needle goniotomy because it is much cheaper, but many institutes and hospitals still lack a microscope with tiltable head and it limits the adoption of BAN. So is there a way to reduce the gap of tiltable microscope? Turns out a very simple solution. Turn the patient head away 55 degree so that you get an offset of 55 degree that gives you a simple view of angle. The only thing that you need to modify in your setting is go in diverse position with your instruments when you enter the AC, and that's it. So let's see a case how it has been done, and this is why I love MIGS, because you see in a patient like this where there is a significant amount of astigmatism, if I do trap, I may end up not neutralizing the astigmatism, but in MIGS it's very easy to do that. So after installing the toric lens, I put pilocarpine, the pupil comes down, and I always keep a backup of bent angle even when I am going to do a MIGS hook surgery, that is microdot surgery that has been developed by Georgia. So now you see it's very simple. I just tilt the patient head away from myself towards 55 degree. The microscope is just sliding into the position. I am not going to tilt the microscope at all, just like that. Very simple, very smooth, nothing else. Just tilt the head towards away from you 55 degree. Put a visco-cohesive agent and put a disposable gonio lens over it. And you can see how beautiful the angle appears in front of you. Now Vogue has come up with one lens, but that is again a very costly lens, and if God forbid scratch happens, it will give you a heartbreak to dispose of that lens. But with this small disposable lenses, it's very easy to place them in any position you want and get that view. So now you see nothing else has been done. You enter into diverse position. How easy it is to perform the microlot surgery using the MIGS hook that has been developed by Georgia, and you see how beautifully I can achieve almost around 180 degree of the goniectomy that is there, and again bring back the patient head in position, and you can see in the upper central area, you can see an area of blanching that is happening because of the increased pressure during the visco removal. So it ensures that the bang that the MIGS that you have done is actually working. So that is the beauty of this surgery. Instant confirmation on the table that you have achieved good drainage, and just like that you complete your surgery and be done with it. So I wish everyone to start adopting BAN and not be limited if their microscope has a tiltable head or not. This is a Madhvi Netralaya presentation. Thanks for watching.